I have thousands and thousands of Kinects. And then I'm like, why not try and learn Alexa and do something cool with the Raspberry Pi? I remember I spent almost an entire weekend doing it, like barely any sleep.
Tell unofficial Raspberry Pi car to move the car forward.
The car is moving forward.
We are driving my car, but it's my voice.
I really like learning how things work and figuring out how to utilize stuff to help make other things better. For example, the Elite Dangerous Ship Assistant.
Alexa, open Ship Assistant.
Elite Dangerous is a space exploration game. It's a first-person game, so you're sitting in the cockpit of a ship. I connected Alexa to it.
Welcome to your onboard ship assistant.
To make a ship assistant to be able to control the game with AI. I thought it was cool because I was in the process of learning Alexa and I really liked the game as well. So I was like, two of my favorite things, let's put them together. I really like voice technology. It's really interesting for me. Everywhere I look, I kind of see like, hey, that could use like a voice. I am definitely inspired.